You probably think you need a hit game to be a successful developer, something that goes viral, tops Steam charts, but that's a lie we all believe. You don't need a hit, you need momentum. The truth is, most successful indie developers aren't viral overnight. They succeed by showing up again and again. They build small games, they launch often, and their success compounds. Think about this. If you spend 2 years trying to make one massive game, that's 2 years of risk. If it fails, that 2 years gone. But if you make 4 small, well-scoped games in those same 2 years, you have built 4 assets, 4 learning experiences, 4 revenue streams. Even if each one only brings in a little money each month, together they add up. It's not a giant leap, it's a staircase. Look at Sokpop Collective. They release one game every month. Not every game hits big, but they have a massive back catalog. They earn thousands every month from their Patreon, Itch, and Steam sales because they show up consistently. Or take Thomas K. Young. He made Dadish, Superfoist, and several other mobile games. None of them broke the internet, but they are fun, finished, and profitable. He didn't wait to make the next big thing. He just made the next thing. That's the shift. Stop chasing the hit, start stacking wins and fails. Make something small, make it good, ship it, and repeat. Your 5th game will be better than your first, your audience will grow, your income will grow, and one day you realize you don't need a one game to succeed. You have already built a body of work that's paying you back. So here's the real goal. Create games that you actually finish, build your catalog, let compounding do the rest. Forget the hit, focus on habits, that's how you actually win. Now drop a promise in comments. What are you starting today? Doesn't have to be perfect, it just have to be real. Until then, we will see you in the next one. Bye.